Everyone's been asking the same question: will AI take away my job? In my previous videos, we tackled it head on. We looked at the jobs that are most at risk for automation and the ones that are safe. But that's only half the story. Because while it's true that some jobs will disappear, history shows us something powerful. Every major technological shift creates more opportunity than it destroys. Think about it. When the internet came along, people thought it would kill jobs. Instead, it created entire industries: e-commerce, social media, digital marketing, app development. Jobs no one could have imagined before. So today we're flipping the script. We're going to be looking at the new jobs AI is going to be creating right now, and by the end of today's video, you will know exactly how to position yourself to take advantage of them. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 1. The biggest job categories AI is actively creating, 2. The real examples as to how industries are transforming with AI, and 3. Quick calculations that shows you the upside of these new roles, and finally, a roadmap to help you figure out where your skills fit in. So if the previous video was about protecting yourself from AI job loss, this is about preparing you for AI industry job growth. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Now, first up is AI development and training. AI doesn't just appear out of thin air, it needs humans to teach it. That is why we are seeing new careers like prompt engineers, data annotation specialists, and AI trainers. And here's the crazy part: some of these roles are paying 6 figures already. For example, a major tech company recently posted for a prompt engineer with a salary starting at $150,000. And 5 years ago, this title didn't even exist. So yes, AI is replacing some jobs, but it's also creating high-paying opportunities for people who know how to guide and shape it. The second one is oversight and compliance. As AI gets more and more powerful, it needs guardrails. That means more jobs for AI auditors, ethics officers, and policy advisors. Imagine a hospital using AI to diagnose patients. They don't just need nurses and doctors, they need people to make sure that AI is not misdiagnosing based on biased data. This is a whole new career path opening up. People who act as the watchdogs and regulators, the ones who are making sure that AI is safe and fair. The third one is healthcare. AI isn't replacing doctors or nurses, it is helping them. Nurses are learning to use AI-agnostic tools, and they are using AI to diagnose illnesses sooner, and administrators are being retrained to manage AI-powered rescheduling and AI systems. Let's do a quick calculation. If AI saves just 15 minutes per patient visit, and the clinic sees 100 patients per day, that is 25 hours saved daily. That doesn't reduce jobs. It increases demand for staff who can work along with AI to serve more patients. Let's look at creative and hybrid roles. This is one of my favorites because people assume that creativity is untouchable. The truth, though, is that AI is enhancing creativity. Therefore, marketers are using AI to analyze customer data, but still they need human creativity for campaigns. Designers as well use AI-generated visuals, but they add their own unique style. And writers and video editors, they use AI to speed up technological work so that they can focus on storytelling. Maybe now is the time for you to pivot from the careers that I mentioned that AI would be eliminated to these careers such as being a marketer, a designer, or a writer or video editor using AI to power your skills. An example is that a freelance video editor using AI can finish a project in 4 hours that used to take 10. That doesn't kill the job. It actually increases how many clients he can serve and how much they can earn. And finally, let's look at AI integration everywhere. AI is becoming like electricity, embedded in every industry, and that means every sector is creating new jobs around AI. In finance, you have AI risk analysts. You have retail, where you have AI-powered inventory managers. In education, you have AI tutors and digital learning coordinators. The World Economic Forum projects that AI will disrupt 85 million jobs by 2026. But guess what? It will also create 97 million new roles. That's a net gain of 12 million jobs. So when we ask, will AI take away jobs? The real answer is, it will change jobs. And if you adapt, you will be in demand. All right, so what does this mean for you? Here's your roadmap. 1. Build on what you already do. If you are in healthcare, learn AI tools for your field. If you are in marketing, study AI analytics. 2. Develop transferable skills. Communication, problem solving, leadership, creativity, these are AI-proof jobs. 3. Experiment with AI right now. Get hands-on. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, or industry-specific AI tools, and all of these options have a free version that costs you nothing. When you have played around with it enough and developed some familiarity and skill, you can upgrade to the paid version so you can become more of an expert. The earlier you learn, the more valuable you will become. The key is not to compete with AI, but learn how to work with it. Hey, let's bring this all home. In my previous video, I talked about defending yourself from AI job loss. Yes, that's important, but it's only half of the picture. Today we see that AI isn't just taken away. Entire industries are being reinvented, and the winners will be the ones that adapt early. Therefore, the takeaway from this video today is not just ask if your job is safe. Ask yourself, where is the opportunity that AI is opening for you? Because that is where the real growth, the real security, and the real success will be in the years ahead. If you found this information valuable, even one thing, please hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be informed of additional information that we have to offer. Thank you for the privilege of your time today, and see you in the next video.